Welcome back to Court TV Live, along with Julia Janae. I'm Ted Rollins. We're going to turn our attention now to the state of Colorado, where day one of the poisoned shake murder trial is underway for Dr. James Craig, a dentist.
He's a former dentist now, accused of killing his wife, Angela Craig, by poisoning her protein shakes. And in this trial, the judge has only allowed cameras inside of the courtroom for openings and closings and potentially the verdict. So here to get us up to speed on this trial, we have Court TV field reporter Cody Thomas with us. Cody, what is the latest? What has happened today?
Well, good afternoon, Ted and Julia. Always great to see you, my two friends. Those opening statements got underway this morning in this trial involving the death of not only a wife, but a mother of 6 children. Now, James Craig has, of course, pleaded not guilty, but the prosecution says otherwise. Take a listen.
There was another doctor at the University Hospital that day, Dr. James Craig, a man in court. Angela Craig's husband, the father of her 6 children, and a Dr. James Craig also went into Angela's room. And he was also wearing those familiar blue scrubs of a doctor. But he didn't go into that room to save Angela's life. He didn't go into that room to fight for her life, to support her. He went in that room to murder her.
Seen in court wiping away tears today before those opening statements began. He's, of course, facing first-degree murder charges in the death of his wife of 23 years, Angela Craig. Angela made multiple visits to the hospital in a short span of time back in March of 2023, unsure of what was wrong with her. Now, it wasn't until one of James Craig's dental partners tipped nurses off about an order of potassium cyanide to their office that the police investigation began. That same dental partner told nurses there was no use for a substance that toxic at a dental practice. Now, the investigation revealed James Craig's internet searches asking how many grams of pure arsenic will kill a human, and is arsenic detectable in an autopsy? His defense argues no trace of those poisons were found in Angela's protein bottles.
Along with the alleged victims, he's also facing a couple of other charges because of his antics, I guess, in prison or in jail.
Absolutely, Ted. He's also facing charges of solicitation to commit perjury in the first degree and solicitation to commit first-degree murder. Now, prosecutors say Craig attempted to coerce a fellow inmate, William Walbin, into agreeing to a bizarre plan to make it look like Angela framed him for her death. Now, in exchange, Craig said he would give his would-be accomplice's mother free dental work. Now, prosecutors also say Craig tried to recruit another inmate, Nathaniel Harris, to kill the lead investigator on the case, offering him $20,000 for the hit. Now, Harris, that inmate himself, also told authorities that Craig wanted Harris's ex-wife to fabricate a story that would help his case as well. Now, the defense addressed Craig's time in jail in their opening statement. Take a listen to this.
His children are now on the outside without a mother, now without a father. He's anxious, and yeah, he does some not great things in jail.
Now, of course, if convicted, James Craig faces life in prison without the possibility of parole. Ted, Julia.
Cody Thomas, thank you for that report. That reminds me, this allegation of the deceased person trying to frame the defendant.
Insane, right?
Mark Jensen in Wisconsin tried the same thing, did not work.
Yep.
No, it didn't.
Unsuccessful, right?
Usually is.
Usually.
Thank you, Cody. Still with us, criminal defense attorney, former prosecutor Marie Pereira. Your thoughts on this doozy of a trial, Marie? You know, we get these trials that come by in Court TV, and this one was like, oh boy. But the judge said no, cameras during the trial itself. We only get the openings, the closing, and the verdict. But I think we'd be all in on this baby if the judge would allow us. What's your overall take here against the case against the good dentist?
My heart was broken when I heard there were 6 kids involved, because now there are 6 children who are motherless and their father's going down. This was so messy, I couldn't even keep up with it. Not only was he a not so smart doctor, he ordered the poison to be delivered to his office and then Googled how much poison, arsenic, does it take? And then when he's in prison, he's committing more crimes because he's trying to knock off people who could come and testify against him. I imagine Maybe this would have been just a fast slam dunk, because from what I'm hearing, it's not going to take much to convict this guy.
Marie, you mentioned the arsenic and those searches that he made. Does it matter that she didn't die from arsenic?
It matters, and with crafty lawyering, I'm sure his attorneys are going to say there has to be a connection. Just because he didn't love his wife and he thought about doing it, and even if he ordered it, if they can't prove that it was the arsenic that he had custody and control of that caused her death, then it could be a problem. I'm so sorry that we're not in this trial, because the details must be extremely salacious, because people don't do this without a reason. I'm quite sure there's an insurance policy or some other sneaky link woman, someone he wanted more than her. It has to do with something like that.
Oh, there is, yes.
There's a sneaky link.
Okay,
To quote Marie.
here we go.
Sneaky link, an orthodontist who had no idea he was married, met at a conference, and they had only gotten to know each other for a few weeks. And she's like, oh my gosh, we were not even down the road yet. And if I was the reason for this, his news wacky. And Micah, can you imagine going up to another inmate at a jail and saying, hey, I'll give your ma free dental cleanings if you'll just kill somebody for me? I mean, this guy's in.
I've stopped trying to understand accused killers a long time ago.
What world is he living in? Yeah.
Unbelievable, but you know what? It's the 6 children for me. It's all fun and
Right.
games, but you have 6 kids with this woman, and you kill her allegedly? Come on.
Because we were talking, because he wants to be the victim. Like he's not going to just murder his wife. He's going to try to get away with it. Why? Because at the end of the day, then he's the dentist widower hero he's raising 6 kids. He's factoring all of that into his demented brain, if indeed he's responsible.
We are going to keep you updated on this case.
We could talk about this all day long.
We really could, but
All
the
day,
judge has made the ruling, only openings, only closings, but we will get as much information as we can to you all.